Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Azure AI Studio versus Microsoft Copilot Studio. If you are confused about which is which and what they do, you are in the right place. First thing first, ever since ChatGPT hit the scene in early 2023 and Microsoft teamed up with OpenAI, there has been a flurry of AI services tools and offering under the Microsoft umbrella Azure AI Studio. Let's start with Azure AI Studio. Imagine you're building a house from the ground, and a AI Studio is like having all your materials, tools, and land you need all hosted in Azure's cloud. It's your go-to for developing AI services from scratch, offering everything from AI search capabilities to both services. And guess what? It's all accessible through the Azure AI Studio portal, which, by the way, is currently in preview mode. Microsoft Copilot Studio. Now onto Copilot Studio. Think of Copilot Studio as your AI assistant in the low-code world using data from Microsoft 365 or external sources. It's like using Lego blocks to build your AI solutions, making it super accessible and user-friendly. And the best part, you can create bots and publish them to platform like Teams, Power Apps, and even websites. So what is the main takeaway here? Azure AI Studio is your all-in-one AI infrastructure service for building AI solutions from scratch. On the other hand, Copilot Studio is your low-code AI tool for quick and easy AI solution development using external or existing data sources. I hope this clears up any confusion between Azure AI Studio and Microsoft Copilot Studio. Where you are an AI expert or just starting out, there is a Microsoft AI service that is just right for you. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.